Okay, be quiet. No.
It's our 4th time.
Okay, this is our 4th time recording this. And we're doing a burping contest, and this little psycho girl over here.
Yeah!
Okay, so my computer at the first time, she was being like really noisy, and we could not concentrate. And then this Missy over here, yeah, she said our ages. And then the next time, Soleil, she couldn't burp apparently. And it was like a 5-minute video at the time. So, and then the last video, we disconnected.
Hey, they don't need to hear our life story.
Shut up, Grace. And after it disconnected, she burped like 5 seconds later, and we were really mad because it wasn't recording. So we're doing this for the last time, and if it does not get down, I'm gonna.
We're starting with me.
No. Okay, we're starting with her just in case.
I got a burp coming on.
I think she was telling us that. You look like a baby drinking a bottle. Dude.
Feel a burp coming. Guys, you gotta wait until I burp. Okay?
Okay. Okay. And that was fake. Drink one.
It's coming.
Drink one.
Feel it. It's right here. It's right here.
Okay, then squeeze it out. Okay, so that was Soleil's burp. Wait.
That was a demon burp, wasn't it?
Alright, she's number 1. You guys have to vote. She's number 1 and number 2.
Okay, so you guys have to vote. This is what we're doing.
She didn't
When
Shut up. I got another burp. Hurry.
She has another burp. Okay. I'm number 1. She's number 2. She's number 3. I want you guys to comment below. I want you guys to comment below who was better and just say like the numbers. No, we're not doing the crazy. We will do that video later. We will do that video later.
No,
you're crazy. Let's start up.
Burp coming on. Turn to me. I can feel it. Feel it this time. I feel it. I'm just right here again.
She said. Sorry, you didn't spill it.
You're about ready. It's coming. Ready? No. Yo, do it.
Just burp.
Come on now. Stop, it's coming. Did it show it? Yeah, we showed this, didn't it?
Yeah.
Alright. She's going now. See her.
Okay, you know what? I'm going next. Because of them, they're silly.
No, I want to do it. I'm not gonna vote. I'm just gonna go. So you either vote 1 or 2. Sophie or Soleil.
What? What? Make us! No!
I get a burp. I lose a burp. I get a burp again. Ready? Hold on 1 second. Oh, I feel it coming on.
I'm gonna win, y'all.
Feel it.
Y'all, don't drink all the soda because we're gonna do one for Facebook too. As drink as a sleep, it's keeping me. Who was that? Okay, well,
Wait, I got a funny thing
Grace,
for you.
if you can't burp in 30 seconds, I'm shutting off.
I don't want to burp.
Oh.
What's your name? My name is Londa.
Stop. Okay.
Number 1 or number 2 all the way over here? The psycho one.
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
Psycho,
So it's
call me
me.
Psycho.
It's me. So number 1 or Psycho or
So
Psycho.
or just Sophie or Psycho. Okay. So I'll tell
Yeah,
you guys.
and who's the most psycho? Ready? Hold on, I gotta burp.
Okay. Okay. That was enough. I'll see you guys later in the next video. Okay. Bye.
Bye.